Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. We've all seen the incredible videos being generated by AI lately, but you've probably also noticed they have a big problem with one thing: physics. Objects can look great, but they often move through each other or interact in ways that just feel wrong. Well, a new research paper introduces an approach called KineMask, designed to fix that very problem. The core idea is simple yet powerful. Give the AI a starting image and tell it which object to move and in what direction. From just that initial command, KineMask generates a video predicting what happens next, including how that object realistically interacts with others in the scene. So how did the researchers teach an AI to understand physics? They started by training it on a huge dataset of synthetic, computer-generated videos showing simple objects colliding. They used a clever two-stage training strategy. First, they showed the model the full motion for the entire video. Then, they started hiding the later parts of the motion, forcing the AI to learn how to predict the outcome of a collision based only on the initial movement. And the results are pretty dramatic. Compared to a standard, powerful video model which might make objects fly away or hallucinate weird motions, KineMask generates stable and believable interactions. Even though it was trained on simple shapes, it successfully generalizes to complex, real-world images and objects. This method gives creators incredible control. As you can see here, they can precisely choose which object moves, the speed of the motion, and the exact direction, opening up new possibilities for controlled video synthesis. Crucially, the researchers showed that the model only learns to create realistic collisions if it's explicitly trained on data containing interactions. When trained only on objects moving in isolation, it fails to create plausible collisions in new scenes. This shows the model is genuinely learning the causal structure of physical events. Perhaps most impressively, by combining this motion control with high-level text descriptions, KineMask can generate complex effects that weren't even in its training data. For example, it can realistically shatter a vase or create ripples in water, simply by leveraging the prior knowledge of the base AI model. This even allows it to outperform other recent methods that attempt to control motion, especially in tricky scenes where objects are close together or have complex shapes. So, let's recap the important points. Researchers created KineMask, a method that gives AI video generators a much-needed understanding of physics. It uses a two-stage training strategy on synthetic data to learn how to predict the outcome of object interactions from just an initial velocity. This allows for fine-grained control and results in significantly more realistic videos than previous models. This is more than just a neat trick, it's a critical step toward building world models. Imagine AI that can simulate outcomes for a robot before it acts, or generate endless realistic training scenarios for self-driving cars. That's the future that work like this is building towards. Thanks for watching.